Okay, here we are. We got a storm brewing up. You can see the front or something. There's some clouds. Some leaves are coming down. Will die down. I think I better get in the truck. It's gonna start pouring here any second. Wanted to get the storm on video. That's looking to the east where I took all the sunrise pictures this winter. So storm's coming in from the west. And maybe I can get storm footage. Storm chasing us down. Here comes the rain. I better get in the truck or I'll get wet. Okay, wind died down a little bit. That's good. We'll go get in truck 12 for our safety. Okay. Okay, I'm walking into the basement. Just got done with the storm, and good news, plumbing's in. Speechless. Got plumbing in yesterday and this morning and inspected. And I was not here this morning. I went to the fair for a half a day just to check it out. Anyways, so let me walk you through. I started covering up already. It's been inspected. I need to get a video for you. Okay, this is the bathroom in the basement. Toilet, sink, drain, shower, drain. There's all underground. I already covered it up, sorry. Washing machine drain. Lift station pump thing. Okay, we got a 4-inch line going over floor drain, and then I don't need to walk all the way down there. A floor drain on the end of the house, just in case emergency. Most of these rooms on the right side of this beam here will be storage rooms and so on and so forth. So got a drain down there just in case. And one more item, a sink drain, so we can have cabinets. There'll be a wall here holding up the stairway. We can have cabinets here and coming in and out, wash your hands for cookouts and so forth. So underground plumbing's done. I already showed you the underground electric. We are going to cover all this up here and wet it down to get good compaction, and then run the compactor over the entire basement again, check it. And tomorrow we will start the 2-inch insulation under slab. Next morning after that rainstorm, when the wind, there's a bunch of leaves down here, so I don't really want to pour on top of them. I'm going to blow them out the door. Time to get the helmet cam back in action. I need both hands, so we'll go get that. Might need them glasses. Okay, I got all the plumbing trenches filled in, and now I'm taking the garden hose and running it over. And it's supposed to be the hottest day of the year, so this is a good job to do today. And it helps with settling, gets those little pieces of rock around the pipe. Right here, see if you can see it go down any. Because there was a little bigger hole there with that P-trap under this drain, so definitely helps. We'll do this a while, regrade, and then compact everything again. So just a relaxing job, watering and backfilling here.
Rolling.
Okay. Right now I'm cutting out the think and work at the same time. It's the hottest day of the year. Cutting out the electrical box. So I have to measure. So okay, that'll work. Now there's a conduit here. I have to cut out a little bit for that because the conduit's on top of the stove. So you get the idea.
As you can see, we got the vapor barrier down and we got a really good start on the 2-inch insulation in the basement. So we thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave us a comment.